Good morning, engineering students. So, I hope that you all are safe and secure and taking good care of yourself. Okay, so now today we are going to start the exercise 3.1 as I have already told you, and I have already explained the divisibility rule yesterday, right? So, we have discussed the divisibility of 2, 3, 5, 10 and 9. We have discussed this 5 and this much is in your course only. Okay. So today we will be doing the divisibility of 2, 5 and 10. Right. And 3 and 9 we will be doing on Monday. Okay. So don't be in a hurry. Do it regularly and whatever I am saying. Okay. Follow the instructions and do every day the work which we are doing here. Okay, students? So, let's start the today's class. Okay. So now, first of all, take out your notebooks, everyone. And you know, yesterday we have done this. You all have completed these rules, right? You have written in your copy? Very good. So now, we are going to do today the questions based on this. Okay, alright. So now, first of all, put the date. Write down the date. It's 11, right? Put down the date and write down heading exercise 3.1. And the question, you have to mention here question. You can write here question 1. You have to do this in your notebook. So now the first question is check divisibility by 2. Okay. Alright. So now the first number is 12. So now first students tell me what is the rule of 2. The rule of 2 is if the last digit had 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then only the number is divisible by 2. So now see here, the last place or ones place, it is 2. So now 2 is here. So that means it is divisible by 2. Then how to write the answer? We will be writing in this way. First of all, you will copy down the number 12 and then you will write last digit is 2. So 12 is divisible by 2. Okay. I'm telling you one more method to write it. Both are correct and you can opt any one of those. Okay. So now second is ones place is 2. So 12 is divisible by 2. Both are correct. Either you have to use last digit or ones place. Clear? So do it. Copy it down. And this is just for an explanation. You no need to write this, okay? I'm erasing it. Otherwise, by mistake, you will note down. No need to note down, students. Completed? Write in a good handwriting. You have to write with blue pen the solution and question with black pen. Okay? Now let's proceed with the question number 2 here. 40. So now first of all we will write here 4040. Now see the last digit or ones place, it is 0. So that means a number is divisible by 2. So let's write the answer. Last digit is 0. So 40 is divisible by 2. Write down, and if you want you can write in this way also. Ones place is 0, so 40 is divisible by 2. Okay, note it down. Done, students? Now let's proceed. Question number 3, 45. If you have space, you can do in the same page because it is divisibility by 2. So in every question we are going to do 4 questions. Check divisibility by 2. We will be doing 4. Then in 5, 4, and then 10, 4. So do each divisibility in one page. Like you have to do check divisibility by 2 in one page, then check divisibility by 5 in the next page, and then check divisibility by 10 in the next page. Clear? Now let's start the third question. The third question is 45. So now see here, the ones place is 5 or the last digit is 5. So tell me student, is it divisible? Yes or no? Okay, alright. So first of all, we will write here 45 and then we are going to write the answer. Last digit is 5. So 45 is divisible or not? No, right. 45 is not divisible. Whenever a number is not divisible, everything will be same. Just we have to add not. Divisible by 2. Clear? In the same way, we can do the next one also. Ones place is 5. So 45 is not divisible by 2. So what we are doing? We are writing the same thing. Okay. Note it down. Then we will start the fourth question. Alright, so now the fourth question. Now see here, the ones place is 6 or the last digit is 6. So it is divisible or not? It is divisible. So let's write it. Last digit is 6. So 36 is divisible by 2. I am writing in two ways. You can write only one way, okay? One method. No need to copy down both. Okay, students? Ones place is 6. So 36 is divisible by 2. Note down fast. Then we will be doing in the new page, check divisibility by 5. So if you have completed this, write the heading with the black pen in the new page, check divisibility by 5. Okay. Students, I hope that you are not facing any problem while doing all these things, right? So do it properly, and now on a new page we have to write the next question, that is check divisibility by 5. Okay students, don't get confused. Whatever instructions I am giving you, please follow that properly. Okay. Now start doing in the new page. Write down question number 2. You can write. This will be question number 2. Check divisibility by 5. In this also we will be doing 4 questions. Okay. So now first revise the rule of divisibility by 5. Okay. What was the rule of divisibility by 5? The rule is a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit or the ones place is 0 or 5, right? If there is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. So let me write, if the last place is 0 or 5, then only the number will be divisible by 5. Clear students? So now let's proceed with the question. Okay. Now here the number is 45. So you can see here the ones place or the last digit, it is having 5. So let's write the answer. Last digit is 5. So 45 is divisible by 5. Clear? Isn't it very easy? If you have learned the rule, then you can do any number. For example, there is a number 6, 0, 3, 5, 7, 2, 9. This is a number. So just simply what you have to do, you have to check the ones place and you can tell whether the number is divisible or not. Isn't it easy? So now we have to do the next one. So first note down the question number 2. Question number 2 is 36. So now see here the ones place is 6. So here what's the rule? If the number is having 0 or 5 at the ones place, then only the number will be divisible. So that means 36 is not divisible. So let's start. we will write last digit is 6. So 36 is not divisible by 5. Understood? Note down, students. Then we will be doing the third one and then fourth. In each question today we will be doing total 4 questions. Then only you will be able to do the question. Done? Copy down? Okay. Now the third question. Third is 12. The number is 12. So now what we have to do? First we will see the ones place. Ones place is 2. So it is divisible? No, it's not. Right? So now we will write the answer. Last digit is 2. So 12 is not divisible by 5. Now try to do this one by own. Then after that I will be writing the answer. First you have to do by your own. As we do in the class, I used to give you questions. So now do this by your own. And I know that my students know the answer because they have understood it properly, right? Okay, so do it. Simply you have to write one line answer, whether it is divisible or not divisible. But the rule is important, that is last digit is this, so it is divisible or not divisible. Only this much you have to write. So 998, is it divisible? Yes or no? Right, it's not divisible. So write down fast. Okay. So we will be writing in this way. Last digit is 8. So 998 is not divisible by 5. Got it? You have written this only. Then you have done correct. Now, after doing this, on a new page, write down heading question number 3. Question 1 was check divisibility by 2. Question 2 is check divisibility by 5. Then on the third page, you have to write question number 3. Check divisibility by 10. Alright, so let's start the divisibility by 10. Note down the question. Write down question number 3 on a new page. I hope students that you have understood till now the divisibility of 2 and 5 also. So in the same way we will be doing divisibility by 10. Okay, and each question you have to do in single page, right? Divisibility by 2 in one page, divisibility by 5 in the new page, and then check divisibility by 10 in a new page. Alright, so let's start it. So now the first question is check divisibility by 10. The number is 12. Now what is the rule of 10? A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is what? Last digit will be 0. If the last place is 0, then only our number is divisible by 10. So just we have to simply see the last digit is 0 or not. If there is no 0, that means it is not divisible. So now you can write it. Just write. Start writing, students. I know that you can write by your own because you have learned it properly, that what you have to write. So the first is, you will write like this. Last digit is 2. So 12 is not divisible by 10, right? Written? So now do this one by your own. 998. Do it, students. Okay, so all right, I'm writing the answer. Last digit is 8, so 998 is not divisible by 10. Okay, do it. And then we will be doing question number 3 and 4 of this. Okay. So now let's do the third question. The third question is 36. The number is 36. Now see the last place. So now tell me, student, what do I have to write here? Yes, last digit is 6, right? So 36 is not divisible, right? Is not divisible by 10. Okay, now do this one. 40. Now students, tell me 40 is divisible or not? See, the ones place have 0. So it means it is divisible. So how to write it? Last digit is 0. So 40 is divisible by 10. Note down the question and solution fast, and then I will be telling you about the today's homework. Note down this much, students. Note it down. Okay. I know some are slow writer. Let them do. So I hope that you have understood this much, right? So now I will be telling you about today's homework. Okay. So now today's homework is this. It is in the page number 45. All of you take out page number 45. Now see here. Page number 45. The table A you have to do. This table A, right? This you have to do in your book. This you have to complete in your book. Now see here, like the first one is already done here. Like first number is 12 and the last digit. You have to write the last digit. Last digit is 12. Here in 12, the last digit is 2, right? The last digit is 2. Only we have to write the last digit or the ones place. Remember that. Which is last digit? This is ones place. So we will be writing here in this column the last place, and after that in this column we have to just put a tick mark or cross whether the number is divisible or not. Now see here, this only you have to do in your book. No need to do in your notebooks, right? This you have to do in your textbook. Now see, the ones places or the last place is 2. So yes, it is divisible by 2. So in this way you have to put a tick mark. Then you will check by 5. Last digit is 2. So it is not divisible by 5. So in the same way, last digit is 2. So it is not divisible by 10. So this is your homework of today. Please write down the date there. 11/7/2020. Only you have to do table number 1. Table A. Table B we will be doing it afterwards. Okay. When I will be doing the notebook work. Right. So complete this much. And that's all for today, students. Thank you and Jai Hind, and take proper care of yourself. Please be safe and be at your home. Don't go anywhere else. And again, we will be doing divisibility by 3 and 9 on Monday. Okay, students, take care. Bye-bye. Take care.